What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. I'm your boy Ricky. Hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. I know I am. Before I go any further, man, please make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell notification button, hit me up in the comments. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, RJ Car Review. So it's been about a week now since I've installed the BMR upper subframe brace, and I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. So if you're planning to buy this part, go ahead and do so. It is a huge improvement. Huge. It's a very inexpensive part. I paid about $140, and for $140, you're getting a lot of performance out of it. You're not going to notice it right off the back. If you're chilling, cruising, you're not really pushing your car to the limits, you're not going to really notice it. But if you are pushing your car to the limits and you're driving it really hard and you're going around some sharp turns, taking the corners really fast, you're going to notice the difference. You're going to feel the connection to the road. You're going to feel the connection between the subframe, the suspension, the chassis. Like, everything now is working as one. I didn't realize adding a little part like this will make such a big difference. And, as I was installing the part, I'm looking under the car and I'm realizing, like, you know what, this should make a difference, because there's nothing underneath the car that's like holding and supporting and keeping the subframe connected to the car. Like, there's nothing really tightening anything under there. So in my head, I'm thinking, it should make a difference, but I didn't realize that it'll make this much of a difference. Going around corners, there was one corner that I used to take, a real sharp corner that I used to take about maybe, I want to say about 45, 50 miles an hour. I used to take this corner. I wasn't really confident enough to take it any faster. And once I installed this part, that was the one corner I wanted to take. And now I'm averaging about 60 miles an hour around this corner. That's a 10 mile an hour difference. It's a huge improvement. My confidence level is up. I feel like everything now is working together. Before, I felt that there was a disconnect overall with the suspension, with the car. And now I feel the connection with the road. I feel the connection with the car. I can feel the connection in the steering wheel to the road. And now it's like everything is working as one. And this is like how it should have been from factory. The only thing I want to let you guys know is that you do feel a disconnect in the back end. I haven't done anything suspension wise to the back end other than the end links, and that's more for wheel hop. But now I feel the disconnect in the back end. I feel the front end is more planted, is more stable, is more connected to the road, and the back end can't keep up right now. So I'm not really worried, because I'm planning to, overall revamp the suspension and do a lot more upgrades to overall improve the suspension and get it dialed into the way I like it. Once I work on the back suspension, I feel everything is going to come together and work together as one, and that's what I'm looking for in the end result. So if you guys are really interested and really thinking about buying this part, go ahead. It's the BMR upper subframe brace. It works. You won't regret buying it. It's a huge improvement overall. And one more thing I want to let you guys know. How can I forget this? Trem lining is, I don't want to say completely eliminated, but for the driving that I've been doing, is about a week now, I haven't felt any trem lining. I took it out in the rain. I used to be very nervous in the rain. I used to be very cautious in the rain. I used to average about 55, 60 miles an hour in the rain, and the car never felt stable to me in the rain, and I was always cautious. Now I'm averaging between 70, 80 miles an hour in the rain. I'm able to switch lanes in the rain with full confidence. No more trem line in the rain. It feels stable. It feels like the car doesn't want to lose control. It feels connected to the road, and it's a huge improvement in the rain. That was the one thing that I noticed overall. Put everything else to the side. Overall, that was the most noticeable improvement, was in the rain. I took it around some rough roads, some back roads, some bumpy roads, and it doesn't trem line anymore. The car is stable. It drives straight. It doesn't want to jump to the side of the road and jump to that side of the road. It's a lot more stable. Trem lining, like I said, I don't want to say it's eliminated, but for so far, I don't feel any more trem lining. So if you're thinking of purchasing the BMR upper subframe brace, go ahead and do so, man. You won't regret it. $140. You know, it's a great part, and overall performance, you can't beat it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have the BMR upper subframe brace or the Stedia, I know Stedia makes one. I know there's a couple other companies make one. If you have an upper subframe brace, let me know what you think, how your car perform. And like I said, if you're thinking about buying it, go ahead and buy it. You won't regret it. I'm your boy Ricky. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that bell notification button. Hit me up in a comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, RJ Car Review. And I see you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Thanks for watching.